Ta-da. Hello everybody. We have a beautiful product today by Tonor here. It's a microphone arm. It's a microphone studio boom arm. We have also an instruction manual here. We have all the mounting instructions, of course. And let's unbox it. Here is the filter. We will attach it later. Let's see. We have some straps to catch the cords. Yeah. We also have the microphone filter, microphone cap. Nice one. And let's unbox here and see what's inside. Here is the the static part of the arm studio stative, and here we have this part attached to the microphone. We put it here, and to see the proper arm, the main part, here it is. Let's see. Oh yes, nice one. Look at it. Yes, nice. Yes, and we have right now to put it together to see how it works. Okay. Let's put the box aside. We don't need it anymore right now. And for mounting the arm, we have to unroll this. So we have to attach it to the table. We have a table here. And after this, we'll see how it works. Okay. Right. Now we have to powerfully stretch it here, like this. Then we have to attach the arm, like this. We put the nut on the upper side. We have to screw it like this until it's fixed. Okay, nice. And we can play in every direction with it, like this, like that. See? Okay. And because I'm standing, I can put it like this. You also can install the filter. Then we'll bring the microphone. We have a nice microphone here. We'll attach it. And that's it. Enjoy the T20 Tonor Studio Boom Arm. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy.